How's it going, guys? I'm Suzuki Ninja Taro. Today, you are going to L about driving on narrow roads. The exam includes tasks the crank course and S course. The purpose of these tasks is to help you understand vehicle handling and the appropriate speed for different situations. This video might help you drive through the S curve more effectively. Before S, you need to know some information about the car first. It will help you a lot. If you turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward, the left front tire will cross this yellow dashed line, and the left rear tire will follow this yellow wavy line. If you turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and move forward, the right front tire will cross this yellow dashed line, and the right rear tire will follow this yellow wavy line. How to go through S-shaped course. Slow down enough before reaching the entrance. Imagine how you will turn at the first curve as you enter. Keep your speed at walking pace, stopping is okay. Visualize the path of your wheels and the width of your vehicle. Before finishing the first curve, start thinking about the second curve. As you near the end of the second curve, focus on the exit. The right front wheel drives along the outside of the curve while considering where the left rear wheel drives. As the amount to turn the steering wheel is much more, reduce speed sufficiently. The left front wheel drives along the outside of the curve while considering where the right rear wheel drives. Near the exit, move over the vehicle to the opposite side of the turn direction. Point. When a wheel went up on the curb but you did not notice and proceed for L distance, you will not be successful. Wow, look at the time. It's dinner time already. Let's call it a day. See you next time, Ninja. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.